Hello to all my machas. The time that we are going through is something our generation has never seen before, and it will bring a lot of changes in us as individuals and in our society as a whole. But we can still make the best use of this time by following our passions. Passions. Andar ki aag. I'm sure many of you, rather most of you just like me, don't know what their passion is. So the best you can do is to keep on trying new things and maybe someday you might fall in love with something. It's a hit and try method till you get the success. It is rightly mentioned in the book that we will review today that regardless of your past, tomorrow is a clean slate. So don't waste time not doing anything or placing blame. Take responsibility and fix the cause because the choices you make today will determine what you will be, do, and have in the tomorrows of your life. I have a quiz for everyone to participate. I'll be showing few images of monuments from India during this video. If you can name 3 of them and mention in comments, I'll give you a shout out in the next video that I make. And machas, please subscribe to the channel and without wasting time, let's roll. Roll, not a joint, but let's move forward. So machas, here is PP Ki Smoke with a new series where we will be reviewing books and this is episode 1. The book that we'll unfold today is Top Performance by Zig Ziglar, Chris Dunham, Brian Flanagan and Jim Savage. Zig Ziglar is one of the most successful motivational speakers of America. He was an outstanding salesperson and author of many books including the best-selling book Secrets of Closing Sale. As per the book Top Performance, 85% reasons of anyone getting success in corporate world depends on their people skills, which is their ability to deal with others effectively. It does not matter what your position is, but what it will be in future depends on how you interact with others. The book is a good read, especially if you work with a team. The principles mentioned are equally effective in family environment also, but the author has depicted most of it in a corporate environment setting. This book is divided into 3 parts. First part evaluates top performance as an art and how one can develop that art in and around him. Second part takes the scientific approach on application and execution of top performance principles. And third part deals with use of models and principles to develop top performer out of yourself and others. All 3 parts are divided into 15 chapters which very smoothly explain the building of a foundation to become a top performer and achieve the target while helping others too to achieve the same. The book is very crisp and a quick read. The soul of the book is about being a good human, which we have read in uncountable motivational books. But it is good to be reminded of these qualities and virtues again and again. Most of the book depicts the motivational principles with the help of small stories on personal experiences of Mr. Ziglar at different stages of his life and professional career. The best thing I like about the book is its read time is short and there are lots and lots of quotations relevant to the subject from famous people. These quotes just fill me with the energy and a will to keep moving. Quoting a few of them, leadership is the art of getting someone else to do something that you want done because he wants to do it. Sounds more like hypnotizing the other person. तू वो कर जो मैं चाहता हूँ क्योंकि तू वो करना चाहता है. That is the power of being a leader. It's not about who is right, it's about what is right. The greatest enemy of excellence is good. The more I understand myself, the more effectively I can work with others. There are so many of those quotes, but my favorite one of all is, you can have everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want. Overall, the book has a to-the-point approach. I would recommend this book to all those who are in jobs or in business. The book is not something outstanding or one of a kind, but makes the point it was written for. Once you read it, or if you have already read this book, please mention your thoughts in the comments. So guys, now is the time for an advice from the wise. Now don't ask me wise कौन है इधर. मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो that's me. Remember that the idea is to wake up a better person than what you were yesterday. Because sometimes you are ahead, sometimes you are behind, and the race is too long. But in the end, It's only with yourself. So, Babas, identify the image of the monuments and mention in comments, and I will give you a shout out in the next video. Also, let me know in the comments names of movies and books you want us to review. और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब बटन अगर नहीं दबाया है तो अब दबा देना, पर दवा जरूर देना.